In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Stripe payments to Beacons AI. Start by opening your browser and signing in to your Beacons.ai account on the web. Make sure you use the account that manages your store or page and have your Stripe account credentials handy so the connection will be smooth. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click that and choose Account Settings. If you prefer, you can also open the Store app inside Beacons and go to its settings instead. Both routes take you to the same place where payment configurations live. Inside Account Settings or the Store settings, look for the Payments section. This is where Beacons centralizes options for processing transactions. When you find Payments, scan the options until you see the option for Stripe. Next to Stripe, there will be a Connect button. Click Connect to begin the linking process. At this point, you'll be redirected to Stripe's secure login page. This is standard and expected because Stripe handles the sensitive payment authentication. On the Stripe page, enter the email and password associated with the Stripe account you intend to use. If your Stripe account requires two-factor authentication, complete that 2FA flow now. Two-factor steps might include entering a code sent to your phone or approving a prompt in an authenticator app. Completing 2FA ensures the account stays secure and confirms it's really you linking the account. After you've authenticated, Stripe will ask you to authorize the connection. This is where you choose the specific Stripe account you want Beacons to access if you have multiple accounts, and grant the permissions requested. Be sure to confirm you are selecting the correct account, since permissions allow Beacons to manage payment data and view payout information. Granting permission is necessary for Beacons to process transactions on your behalf. Once you authorize the connection on Stripe, you will be redirected back to Beacons.ai. There, you should see Stripe listed as connected in the Payments section. This confirmation means you can now accept payments through your Beacons page and review or manage payouts via the connected Stripe account. If anything looks off, refresh the page or sign out and back in to verify the connection. Remember to test a small transaction or check your Stripe dashboard to make sure payouts are appearing as expected. With the connection confirmed, you're ready to receive payments through Beacons using Stripe.